Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Oh, I can't hear you. Speak loudly. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, my name is Shilpa. I'm your teacher. Kiddos, I'm going to tell you the formation of lowercase f. It is also known as small f. So watch carefully. We will put a pencil between the top line and the middle line. Draw a standing line. Stop on the base line. Come back till middle top line. Now make a curve. Stop between the top and the middle line. Now what you have to do? We will draw a sleeping line. F. Which letter is this? Lowercase f. Again I am going to tell you the formation of letter F. Put your pencil between the top and the middle line. Draw a standing line till base line. Go up, up, up till top line. Make a curve and stop between the top and the middle line. Now draw a sleeping line F. Now again I am going to tell you the formation of lowercase f. Watch me carefully. Put your pencil between the top and the middle line. Draw a standing line. You should draw a straight standing line. Stop on the base line. Go up, 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 up till top line. Now make a curve. Stop between the top and the middle line. Now draw a sleeping line F. This is lowercase f. It is also known as small f. Put your pencil between the top and the middle line. Up to down standing line. Stop on the base line. Now on this line come back till top line. Make a curve. Stop between the top and the middle line. Now draw a sleeping line on the middle line. Lowercase f. Which letter is this? Small f. Again put your pencil between the top and the middle line. Stop on the base line. Go back up, up, up till top line. Now make a curve. Stop between the top and the middle line. Now draw a sleeping line on the middle line. Which letter is this? Lowercase f. It is also known as small f. Again I am going to write f. Put your pencil between the top line and the middle line. Up to down standing line. Stop on the base line. On this line go back till top line. Make a curve towards right. Stop between the top and the middle line. Now draw a sleeping line F. Lowercase f. It is also known as small f. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly. Don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hello kiddos, how do you do? Hope you are doing great. So today we are going to start with an interesting activity. So get ready with your files, pencils and erasers. Are you ready with your English file? Now open page number 3737. Which page number we are going to do? 3737. Have you all opened your page? Great. Now on this page we can see some letters and some pictures. Now what we are going to do, I am going to tell you the name of the picture. You have to listen me carefully. The sounds which I am saying. Okay. You have to listen carefully the first sound. And we are going to match with that letter. Are you getting my point? I will say the name of the picture. You have to listen carefully the first sound. Then we will match it with the same sound. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is an ant. So what sound we are getting first? Ant. A. What sound we are getting? A. Now where is A? Yes, here it is. Now we are going to match it with A. And A. We are getting sound A. Ant. Have you done? Now tell me, which picture is this? Elephant. 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 What sound we are getting? Where is A? Where is A? Is this A? No. Is this A? No. Is this A? Yes. So we will match it with A. Now which picture is this? Ball. 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 So what sound we are getting for? B. Where is B? Is this B? No. Is this B? Yes. So we are going to match it with B. Now which picture is this? Car. Car. What sound we are getting? K. Car. So where is K? Here it is. So we are going to match it with car. Which picture is this? Duck. 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 So what is the first sound we are getting? Duck. Where is duck? Here it is. So we are going to match with duck. Have you all done? Have you enjoyed this activity? Yes, sir. So clap for yourself. Let's move to page number 38. Turn the page of your file and open page number 38. Now hold your pencils properly. We are going to write the alphabets from A to F. A, B, C, D, E, F. What we are going to write? A to F. Sit properly with your back straight. Don't look here and there while writing. Okay? Now first ma'am will write. You will write after me. Look carefully on the board. A. Put your pencil on the middle line. Make a curve. Go up, up to down. Standing line. A. A says A. A says A. A as in apple. Now it's your chance to write A. Done? What comes after A? Yes, it's B. Up to down, standing line, come back again till middle line and make a curve till base line. B. B says B. B says B. B as in ball. It's your chance. Write it properly. Done? Now what comes after B? Yes, it's C. Make a curve from middle line till base line. C. C says K. C says K. C as in cake. C as in cake. Now it's your time to write. Write it properly. Have you all completed? Great. Now see after D. Up to down, standing line. I didn't draw the straight standing line, so I'm erasing it. Up to down, standing line. Go back again till middle line and make a curve. D. D says D. D says D. D as in drum. D as in drum. Now it's your turn to write D. Done? Now what comes after D? Yes, it's E. Put your pencil between the middle line and the base line. May go back, draw a sleeping line, go up, now draw a curve till base line. E. E says eh. E says eh. E as in elephant. E as in elephant. Now elephant. E as in elephant. Now it's your turn to write E. Done? What comes after E? Yes, it's F. Put your pencil between the top line and the middle line. Draw a standing line, go up till top line. Make a curve towards right, draw a sleeping line. F. F says F. F says F. F as in fish. F as in fish. Now it's your turn to write the alphabets from A to F. Write A, B, C, D, E, F. Have you all done? Have you all completed till F? Great job. Now we are going to repeat the same letters for more practice. First of all, I am going to write A. Now it's your turn to write A. Have you all done? A after B. Up to down, standing line. Again till middle line, make a curve B. Now it's your turn to write B. B says B. B says B. B as in bag. B as in bag. Done? Now what comes after B? Yes, it's C. Now it's your turn. Write C properly. We have to write lowercase c. It comes between the middle line and the base line. Done? What comes after C? D. Now it's your turn to write D. Done? Now what comes after D? E. Now it's your turn to write E. Done? What comes after E? F. Now it's your turn to write F. Done? Now speak with me. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we have completed till F. Now what you have to do? You have to click the picture of your work and send me on WhatsApp group. Great job. Keep learning.